Hello everyone, I'm Casey Choi. Great to be with you again, and I hope you're all staying safe and doing well. We touched briefly on a new social distancing solution that we tested and rolled out with the Ford Motor Company in the US.
In my experience, in my 25 plus years in manufacturing, this is usually when the most innovative work gets done, is when you have to deliver it and people are counting on you. It makes a difference. The Samsung watches deployed to our workers was exactly that example. Very, very effective both in the social re-engineering of behavior as well as in the contact tracing.
Coming together and putting advanced technology to work to help us get out of this crisis as quickly as possible. In just a moment, two of my colleagues are going to walk you through the solution in detail, explain what it is, how it works, how we rolled it out with Ford. I'll turn the mic over to my colleagues, James Pack and Kevin Tobin, and they'll walk you through the solution.
So I think, in fact, you got us so excited about this. I think you have to show us how this works.
Okay, so you and I, James, we both have the Galaxy Watch Active 2, and we've both been getting pings constantly as we've been speaking. Peer-to-peer solution delivered notifications directly to the workers' watches if there was someone within a tuned distance. And we've seen some really positive behaviour changes from some of the early data where folks have been able to reduce their interactions by more than half after implementing this solution.
Once again, I'm Casey Choi. Stay safe, everyone, and watch for our next Samsung Together event in June. Thank you.